Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will show you how you can hide your friend list from anyone's. If this video will be helpful for you, then please like it and subscribe our YouTube channel. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Facebook. After that, you will see three dotted on the top right and click on it. After that, click on setting and privacy options. After that, click on setting. After clicking the setting, you will see privacy check options. Click on it. And here are many options, but you will select first options, who can see what you share. Click on it. After that, click on continue. And you will see second last options, who can see your friend list on your profile. Click on it. If you will select public, then anyone can see your friend list. But if you will select friends, only friends can see your profile friend list. But if you will click on friend accept, then those friends which you will select cannot see your friend list, but others can see your friend list. But if you will select specific friends, then those friends which you will select can see your friend list, but the other cannot see your friend list. But if you will click on only me, then no one can see your friend list except you. So in this video I told you how you can hide your friend list from anyone's. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then please like it and subscribe our channel. Thank you.